SWZD, SKOMENTALITY. Let me tell you about where I'm from, man. Yo. Hey, Lord forgive me for my sins. I am just invaded by some sort of a disease. Hey, Lord forgive me for my sins. Lord forgive me for my sins. I am just invaded by some sort of a disease. Hey, SKOMENTALITY, that's what they call it. SKOMENTALITY, that's what they call it. Hey, SKOMENTALITY, that's what they call it. SKOMENTALITY.
Beating ilmele steshini baba ngiyalgibela nawe kade attention yaboba yasonzela kulabo mrap ngiyatendela ngimihloko kulestimela like back when there were no condoms bahluleka kudivikela keep your mic tasting punchlines angikhulumi ngetipakela I just fight them with the rhymes bro kasi liyangifatela bathi shadow must blind yo isn't it too early though y'all have seen nothing baba ngikhule nabo clever and I'm here to lose nothing hlanganisa pepper eardrumzz. My niggas waking up the neighbors ngathi liparala sekas. All these rappers change colors ngathi pheke maskopasi anginsapnong phela ngiphume kapa benye and you know magunza tough would vele talent emqaleni if you ever fuck around babu hlangene nejive anywhere against me you attempting suicide.
Hey, Lord forgive me for my sins. I am just invaded by some sort of a disease. Hey, Lord forgive me for my sins. Lord forgive me for my sins. I am just invaded by some sort of a disease. Hey, SKOMENTALITY, that's what they call it. SKOMENTALITY, that's what they call it. Hey, SKOMENTALITY, that's what they call it. SKOMENTALITY.
Covered good lang mabonza I'm like CEO on the other side pushe madula school strat sam dot lang gruntas maune frustan phethe mapelas with a hotline hlanganisa gas masekpheli plan you can ask your girl I'm her number one attitude corrupted baba ngidalelwe mbabane young nigga from the east side ngena basangan not to mention all this group is done ngibenda bacabane I got the horns and tail now mfana ka satane man you know I bring the fire njenge stove semalade and you know we got the trees right skime boss nemane so we got the best weed and the spitze machamane bane mangalap the bragging part the dead is mine Tina said pandela smile everything I got is mine ungatongtshela when a Charlie get some dim shades cause my future's getting kinda bright.
Lord forgive me for my sins. I am just invaded by some sort of a disease. Hey, Lord forgive me for my sins. Lord forgive me for my sins. I am just invaded by some sort of a disease. Hey, SKOMENTALITY, that's what they call it. SKOMENTALITY, that's what they call it. Hey, SKOMENTALITY, that's what they call it. SKOMENTALITY.
Vuke ekseni mina ngodla babhalas ngibambe inkunzi kuze khale salokati aningangizoli makungisuka bafoka afuna nathi kuhle bari SKOMENTALITY.
Hey, oh yeah, I get it since I've been silent. Niggas claim the kings, they take it back. You know I got them on the knees. Spread the virus when I sneeze. I'm too sick, man, they should give me what I need. I'm too big, it's what the world couldn't handle. Watch it collapse, I see candles burning in the dark, 10 tables. Freeze the clock and teleport to the next generation of living gods. I mess your thoughts, crack codes and unlock the locked chambers of Sauron. Wild horse and a chainsaw that slit throats, walking on dead bodies like war soldiers. Plus I'm one of the survivors, got sharp daggers. I'm never gonna forget where I came from. Pelalendwani kulele laiskom talengom kababa never knew what was right or wrong. Jutia na wasaba fela titing should never done. Y'all don't get the picture while he's penning in front of y'all. Mama raised the rapper, I'm like mama look what you've done. The son of you comes down. We know we better. Yo, it's the SWZD. Yeah. Hey, it's been a year and a half now since high school, look at what I have done now. Always hit the street and I ain't ready for college. Got a lot to prove, I hope you're paying me homage. They say that I am skipping on the tricks of recording. I was stretching muscles, getting ready for combat. Mangibitang msakazi just in case you ain't noticed. Bless him with the best, I'm keeping castles and dungeons. Throw away the precious like the mission of Baggins. I'm about to blow up, you should cover your ears, man. I'm about to show up with a wrist and a gold chain. I'm about to show up with a whip and a horse road, babe. All about the money that be paying me all day. I can handle rappers that got years in this conflict. Bullet to the head, we got no rules in this tech race. If you feel offended, I ain't scared of your long face. Hope you felt the pressure on the day that you had me. That was just the basics, and you know I'm the next king. Shorty wrote a letter, still it's one of the same thing. Never had no feelings for these shorties and candies. I don't hesitate, I got them dropping the panties. Handling the business cause we came from the 90s. Don't tell me about the push, now my nigga up and please. That's how I get rid of these useless memories. Niggas think I got it, man, I'm only getting better. Savage my flippers, reach the top and kick the ladder. I can make it through without them, I don't need it. Man, I was made for this. I made a point where all these rappers are just students to me. I reach a point where all you shorties wanna give it to me. And I never go outside just cause M.Seth is my cousin, they knew I'm a gold mine. Now it's do or die, my nigga, it's do or die. Call us Charles B and we tell them to get wasted. Ask my nigga Esther, I said that we going this year. SKB on the beats and the bass banging. I got LK just to show him it sound different. There goes TDT, my nigga, the dope DJ. Villas YP, the work is beyond limits. Hawali on the keys and every second is worth it. Took a lot of nights for me to do this shit quietly. How I write the lines just like the last of a time breed. On another level and it's threatening my enemies. Playing spin the bottle, now I'm kissing with the goddess. Always been braver at the height of Leonidas. Run up in the game like I just wanna make them never wanna hear the artist.
Shifta mataful Groova na bombrapa lezis vana mapantula Pete na mashambul Ibinza na mazolo fagi vika la supafus Bonis imitolo kuvugi saifa la sekaful Bodies in the cool Funo guba manzi like I'm diving in a swimming pool All about the mall Kala guba cocky tell him I'll recover soon Shifta mataful Shifta mataful I wish you put I do put I got all the real G's Lana chishu put Shifta mataful Groova na bombrapa lezis vana mapantula Mpete na mashambul Ibinza na mazolo fagi vika la supafus Bonis imitolo kuvugi saifa la sekaful Bodies in the cool Funo guba manzi like I'm diving in a swimming pool Hey, hey Abagazweli ngalo shadow man Come and have a piece of me like Jesus on your necklaces Lighting up a cigarette, you niggas talking dust We don't need you to put policies Bitches never last You ended up with pictures in your galleries If they think I'm rocking shy Stina like punches to a brick So young Ptolemus Show you that I'm sick I'm long enough to measure like I'm standing on my tippy toes Lipstick on my dick What bitches give me hairs like I ain't got mine Shake umhlaba when I drop a line Daggers on my wrist man I'm killing time Bring a lot of girls yeah Funa kubamba lo Ngeke lo Phinze ngibambe lo Wakumfuna high and low Jive njani sober Joe Burning purple haze Sipping alcohol Senginabuza face Brains are playing chess When yakho sana itanky next Pepper in the wallet Ipe yakho happy signing checks Shifta mataful Groova na bombrapa lezis vana mapantula Pete na mashambul Ibinza na mazolo fagi vika la supafus Bonis imitolo kuvugi saifa la sekaful Bodies in the cool Funo guba manzi like I'm diving in a swimming pool All about the mall Kala guba cocky tell him I'll recover soon Shifta mataful Shifta mataful I wish you put I do put I got all the real G's Lana chishu put Shifta mataful Groova na bombrapa lezis vana mapantula Mpete na mashambul Ibinza na mazolo fagi vika la supafus Bonis imitolo kuvugi saifa la sekaful Bodies in the cool Funo guba manzi like I'm diving in a swimming pool Hey
I got the monkey's tongue showing cause the flow is on bananas. You can get a free shading cause you niggas are behind us. Guess we too big for your brains, better never mind this. And now we're still high for you to understand this. Man, I'm deadly like a snake bite. Challenge on a dog fight. Ever flew a square kite with stones in it. Eating up some rubber bands, making sure my shit's tight. Black juice in my veins. All these niggas still tipsy. But I'm not the type that's how we lie my talent. Man, I'm eyes wide open, front line golden. Plus I got some bitches in my phone, they all need my focus. Ngalang Pandela, I don't need no sponsors. Funa leli mnyama tu, diploma na le backseat. If you're getting wasted, I go straight to the point. Shifta matafut, groove na bomb rapper lezis vana mapantula, petena mashambul. Ibinza na mazolo fagi vika la superfus. Bodies in me tolo, vugi cypher la se kaful. Bodies in the cool. Funo guba manzi like I'm diving in a swimming pool. All about the mall. Kala guba cocky, tell him I'll recover soon. Chifta matafut. I wish you put on. I do put on. I got all the real G's. Lana chishu put on. Chifta matafut. Groove na bomb rapper lezes vana mapantula. Mpete na mashambul. Ibinza na mazolo fagi vika la superfus. Bodies in me tolo, vugi cypher la se kaful. Bodies in the cool. Funo go manzi like I'm diving in the swimming pool.
Yeah. Get up.
Hey, blue jackets on my door, really. Did somebody call the cops on me? Real killer got a cops with me. Creepy nigga, I got something crawling in my basement. Caterpillars on my favorite dish. I ain't fucking with a gold digger. If she wants money, she should swallow kids. DJ Khaled, how I got the keys. Future Jigga, man, I'm next up. I don't really want a favor, ho. I don't even need a discount. It's time you put me in your list now. I'm in a place by making sure you got the bigger picture. Man, I heard you asking for a feature, but before you pick, you check the price tag. I've been out here looking like a scumbag, then I bounce back off the ground, bro. To your favorite rapper like my dog, man. I've been surviving cause I shoot fast. They don't get to me, I'm getting laid, that's like the cool cats. And my family's but I have a full plan. It only pays back if you passion.
I told you lately I've been drowning in the liquor. Congratulate me cause my name is getting bigger. Check out my circle, man, I'm hanging with the winners. Look what you've done, now you're messing with the greatest. I told you lately I've been drowning in the liquor. Congratulate me cause my name is getting bigger. Check out my circle, man, I'm hanging with the winners. Look what you've done, now you're messing with the greatest.
Mad up in my new habit. Can't you see I'm from the hood, damn it. Sabafuna gon' scheme and it's swear I think I got the juice, ayy. All I know is I'm confused, ayy. I've been out here hanging loose till I know I hit the target when I shoot. Call the priest, I came with demons in the booth. Hot bars when I negung and the luft. Salas corner, who the hell you think is new? East side is what I represent to you. Red born, I hit it till she turns blue. So sick, I must have caught swine flu. Stuck into this thing like I got glue. Say whatever cause we got no rules. I just wanna be a water too. Fortune teller, I ain't reminiscing. So gifted like a Freemason. Call it meditation, I don't do basics. Every day I'm seeing new faces. Problematic like a loose cable. You don't know your angles like a round table. Hako stone, I'm messing up your girl, I make a C double. Tryna convince my demons just to stay humble. All these new beginners, I just picking in is I can eat them for tonight's dinner. Always tell the truth, man, I confess to God that I'm a real sinner. Say she wanna stuck with me now. A broken heart is a heartbreaker. Gave it to her just the pressure. Got a full banky and a pack of razors.
I told you lately I've been drowning in the liquor. Congratulate me cause my name is getting bigger. Check out my circle, man, I'm hanging with the winners. Look what you've done, now you're messing with the greatest. I told you lately I've been drowning in the liquor. Congratulate me cause my name is getting bigger. Check out my circle, man, I'm hanging with the winners. Look what you've done, now you're messing with the greatest. I told you lately I've been drowning in the liquor.
Business, man, that's all I want. That's the shit I want. Fuck coaches, that's all I want. Fuck that bitches, that's the shit I want. Get deep in this business, that's all I want. That's all I want. Never been honest, only trusted by my homies, and I'm feeling like it's enough. They never showed me love, only got it from my parents, and I think it's way more than enough. Hey, shit, I grew up as a different kid. I used to hide and play with millipedes. Friends with only those who wanna be. Mommy game, I'm a problem, G. I told you that I tap and teach her hoe. Met another in La Casserole. She orders pizza with the double cheese, popping champagne like she robbed the bank. Being 7 like a water tank. Now I'm releasing like it's drop day. Light a cigar where the gun plays. I gotta get me some gold chain. Tryna get deep in this business, man, that's all I want. That's the shit I want. That's all I want. That's the shit I want. That's all I want. If you hate, then I'm numb to it. Where I come from, they fly up the flag for me. I've been grinding since January. It's a new year, but nothing is new to me. Man, I come from the future like prophecies, and we're still standing where the diamond is. Going hard till the summer's over. I'm an outlaw, guess I need a lawyer, and I'm too young to be this cool. Too cool to be this young. I'm an OG at an early age. My head on fire like Nicolas Cage. These rappers be my daily bread. 4 gold chains, 4 bad bitches that will go ahead and focus in the business. I gotta get me some gold chains. Tryna get deep in this business, man, that's all I want. That's the shit I want. Fuck gold chains, that's all I want. Fuck bad bitches, that's the shit I want. Get deep in this business, that's all I want. That's all I want. Pretty women in my ward, now they're fucking with the boy. I know you're waiting for my Ford. I wonder if the day will come though, cause this is the beginning. Come and witness history in the making. They thought we was playing, now we're doing numbers like a math class. Money calling, come and pay us. Shout out to my mama, every day she left me 10 bucks. Stay connected with my day ones. Still I'm out here rolling fat blunts. Still spitting on them dope rhymes. In the studio, gotta be the war front. Organizer, pump the G's up. When I'm on stage, I roll my sleeves up. I gotta get me some gold chains. Tryna get deep in this business, man, that's all I want. That's the shit I want. Fuck gold chains, that's all I want. Fuck that bitches, that's the shit I want. Get deep in this business, that's all I want. That's all I want.
I'm just a little one, and I wanna be a star. I just wanna live my dreams. I'm talking of my childhood dreams. I just wanna live my dreams. I just wanna live my dreams. I just wanna live my dreams, and no one can stop me now. I just wanna live my dreams. I just wanna live my dreams. I just wanna live my dreams. I wanna be a star.
I'm just a youngin', but killing O's got no respect, it's just the way it goes. Let ngana swag, ass not job, I'm one of those. Bebang us by a man, the motor of the church and open the doors. We out to breaking the laws, we out to topping the boat. They cannot do it like us, but now they hating on us. Except us push up and slag in my front, they was putting mali. Satula, Sakubingani, Walunga, ya getting mali. I probably hit the water to get me a pair of Jordans. I probably get my grip to show what I got is with us. I probably hit the wood to see my day one niggas. Remind them about the time when we was broke lame niggas. But singing king a glamalanga, every show we kill it. But singing sick a glamalanga and they can never heal it. Either the straight or the dome, boy you gotta feel it. I'm talking landlord, 6 flows, kill shows, they know.
I'm just a little one, and I wanna be a star. I just wanna live my dreams. I'm talking of my childhood dreams. I just wanna live my dreams. I just wanna live my dreams. I just wanna live my dreams, and no one can stop me now. I just wanna live my dreams. I just wanna live my dreams. I just wanna live my dreams. I wanna be a star.
Childhood dreams, it wasn't just a fantasy. These are the things I really wanted me to be. Now I'm picking up bricks, I'm trying to build a legacy. There's something in me, now it's time for you to see. Usakhumbula sebancane sisadlala ntwana sikhukhule amabala sabitana ngabo sibali sipusha tina sismakala. Even built a little cribs, didn't wanna be a rapper. Change of plans, academically we went good. Now we out here trying to handle it, life's too good. Mpili nzima spot, what you doing buddy? Wanna make the good to fam jealous, I was born for this. I don't need nobody just to show me where the money is. Hope you not seated there knowing what your talent is, but still ain't getting paid for it. But I make history, all you rappers gon' worship me. Living in a dream even when my eyes open.
I'm just a little one, and I wanna be a star. I just wanna live my dreams. I'm talking of my childhood dreams. I just wanna live my dreams. I just wanna live my dreams. I just wanna live my dreams, and no one can stop me now. I just wanna live my dreams. I just wanna live my dreams. I just wanna live my dreams. I wanna be a star. I'm gonna do all the best I can to make my dreams come true, 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 true. I just wanna live my dreams. I just wanna live my dreams. I just wanna live my dreams, and no one can stop me now. I just wanna live my dreams. I just wanna live my dreams. I just wanna live my dreams. I wanna be a star.
Yeah, it's the wizard.
They can't deny the fact that we're heating up the game. We all the wanna hear from. Middle finger to the rest. Happen in the blend, you're refusing to admit, I shall confess. 2022 is how we living now. Bodies on the table, tell them hoes to put their glasses up. I ain't got no love for them. All I wanna do, seagull cat can never wife for them. I'm battling a dragon and his fire can't match with mine. But I reached the finish line, look at where we started. they ain't even keeping up. Guess they need a blunt, kuze kusibaqale kudenka fast. I'll be righteous sipping purple on a double cup. Seniva naye ngana nje, mfaka nemeneni just like cows that wanna feed. Mhlele makoneni, y'all still smoking dirty weed. Nyame mabonzeni, always staring at the streets. Hope you really watching, and you know that we the shit. Man, I wrote 80 scripts, did it before breakfast. Took a few hours, did it's more than just impossible. I'm performing miracles, magic by the wizard, yes, I need a virgin oracle. I love my manicure, I'm talking about the slides all your rappers been wishing for. Oh, Melche my flichi, my sek figatin. Finna bring the heat, Sahashula bit the timamli. Been a menace since my mama gave birth to me. Middle finger to my exes that still wanna get back to me. I'm dancing with the devil, hope she never missed the steps. Sophisticated with the pad, man, I'm rewriting history. My flows be the most precious thing all these rappers been seeking for. Life is a bitch, back then she was stingy with the pussy, now she wanna give me more. Guess she noticed that I'm all the world is looking for. I'm hanging with the clan, got my niggas up for company. Skulume Masimba pad, we ain't scared of nobody. Peace enough to say that his fire ain't compared to my heat. I told M.Seth to keep making these beats. Fuck your gold chains, man, I'm good with these beats. Fuck your fake Jordans out with chucks with no streaks. Catch me in a party, all I got is street things. Pussy with that money while you junkies pop pills, Masukela bohunta ntwana uvela ungene HIV. Studio sengulhlupho ngifuna kujosi joint ngene naye mic. Always cupping honeys like I got myself a farmer bee. Smoking on cannabis, I don't really care about a lot of things, mind my own business. Fed since Stuka, I've been writing these lyrics. Lips too black, Nazis mixing and my billies. Flow without limits, bigger than the ocean, so it's looking like earth without a land. You gon' rule when I'm dead. Drop a club banger just to make you move your head. If your girl not with you, she be laying in my bed.
Why you shutting me out? Why you letting me down? Cause I'm the best in what I do, so you scared. You scared. Now the beast is unleashed. What you gon' do? Now the beast is unleashed. What you gon' do?
Yeah, shawty wanna have fun. I told her it's going down in Bahamas. We be partying all night. Shawty wanna party all night long. It's going down in Bahamas. It's going down in Bahamas. It's going down in Bahamas. Shawty wanna party all night long.
Still spending money with my dead ones. Guess I came up with the real ones. Tola besip shawty at Bahamas. Then I went home with a bad one. I don't get enough. Got another one still calling on my phone. You should see the boy. Got a cup of Hennessy dancing on the floor. I was born to be a leader, tell them where to go. If they're looking for me, they gon' find me at the 4. Catch us at the corner rolling blunts with my bros. I don't regret for the life or the choice. All of these niggas looking up to the boy. I just killed the show in Bahamas. I'm a young nigga still stuck on the come up. Do it for my team, they gon' get it if I wanna. Show the deal when I have fun this summer.
Yeah, shawty wanna have fun. I told her it's going down in Bahamas. We be partying all night. Shawty wanna party all night long. It's going down in Bahamas. It's going down in Bahamas. It's going down in Bahamas. Shawty wanna party all night long.
I got one in Oslo, got another one in Tema. Make them both come over, then I pass them all together. I just want the money and the rest don't matter.
spend it on my mama, stay ballin' with my niggas. Diving in the sauce like we're getting marinated. Now we going way up, just like suicide doors. Nigga, look at what we started. I just want it good and done it. I'm the realest in the planet, getting better in Bahamas. Check us last weekend, we was grinding at the covers. Now we finna get the cake. Pretty honeys, I ain't worried about the next. Plenty women in my future, and your whole clique knows that I'm the best. My girl stays staying with the dress. Don't wear chains, wasn't born to be a slave. 1575, you know where to go. Natural disaster when I kill him with a flow. Pitching up on banana and you can't buy a nigga, wanna spend it all.
Shawty wanna have fun. I told her it's going down in Bahamas. Really party all night. Shawty wanna party all night long. It's going down in Bahamas. It's going down in Bahamas. It's going down in Bahamas. Shawty wanna party all night long. Shawty wanna party all night long.
Yo. Mic check, 1 2 1 2. Shout out to my cousin Jay. Hey, it's the wizard. Hey, make it to the top so quick and they gon' think it's beginner's luck. All of these niggas hate on me like I'm Donald Trump. I'm addicted to bad bitches and marijuana. Now the streets are believing that I'm the game runner. Do it for Africa's stepdaddy, grew up in Ghana. I want the world just to put it all in my left hand. Man, I'm the reason you're breaking up with your girlfriend. They're terrified when I'm getting close to the mic stand. They couldn't climb cause I'm bending trees with no stems. I ride at night so I gotta double the side lamps. Living my dream, I ain't talking but sleepwalking. I'm fast forwarded, moving in slow motion. Man, I'm the boss and I'm ass kicking like M.Seth. I'm in the center surrounded by rappers, who's next? This year I found out that everybody's got two faces. Man, I ain't playing, I learned to stay on my level max. Shadow man, I'm the wizard ass with 3 faces. One by one as I cut them down to small pieces. You wanna see by a suit and tie that I do business. I'm psychopathic, my weed loud as a lion roar. I stay progressive, I don't forget what I do it for. I'm toxicated, the room looks like a bottle store. She keeps in boxing, I make her back for my boulevard. Was born gifted, I rhyme different, I'm new edition. Your shortcut was a long distance, I know my mission. A Shakespeare's my shit, got you in your scribbler. I'm not your man, but the niggas think I'm a dope dealer. I go deeper, I'm too ghetto, I know killers. A black monkey, I'm no human, a gorilla. I told my father to fasten up his father figure. I'm out of hand and it's too late, we gangbanging. I'm 22 and I got the plate, we're done cooking. I speak the truth like I'm face to face with the magistrate. They in the hood just because they wanna be relevant. You think you're cool cause you're getting cheese from the government. Hey, Spume Makasana Mara, we got bigger dreams too. Come to my hood so I can show you what I say is what I do for real. Bob City, yeah, you know it's going down up here. At the corner, Namagenga where we fly the jets. SKOMENTALITY, wizard. Yeah, it's the wizard.
I'm alright, I feel
No,
brand
man, I'm
new
alright,
and I'm
man.
fresh. And what
Don't worry
about
for now.
nothing?
Hug
I'm
it,
alright,
Bucky.
I feel brand new
Can
and
you
I'm fresh.
feel it?
And what about nothing? I'm alright, I feel brand new and I'm fresh. And what about nothing? I'm alright, I feel brand new and I'm fresh. And what about nothing?
Wizard, hug a clean pass. I know go tough and I'll just you. Drop top lines or with means we're queuing. We'll export cars, Bobby there's a stylish jacket. Tryna stop us, now my robots are what's too leggy. Let's spit a couple of lines and make these rappers disappear. Find me on eardrumzz, making sure you hear me clear. Hoping that you see the bigger picture, no plasma shit. If you got a problem with me, catch me hiding home with two bitches, one of them is yours. Just in fact, you never had to reach the top and shoot the chest. Pockets fat, I always fed them too much for these niggas. Guess this verse is just a track. Skipping scenes, they chat direct. Far ahead and here to act.
I'm alright, I feel brand new and I'm fresh. And what about my fame? I'm alright, I feel brand new and I'm fresh. And what about my fame? Ain't worried about nothing. Let's see if it's the money, cause that's all I'm about. Find me on the street, I ain't trying to be seen, but I'm busy chasing money. Kulumi malim ganam. Gantu dolan no spam. Now you know what I'm talking about. As long as I got the paper, life for your shalela. Mishagung Vasella will cost you. I call that a consultation fee. Alright, Baba. So fresh. Thank you, M.Seth, for the beat, Baba. I'm alright, I feel brand new and I'm fresh. And what about my fame? I'm alright, I feel brand new and I'm fresh. And what about my fame?
Man, I let them chase the fame while I'm standing in the rain. Let it pour me with blessings from the Lord, I go insane. Yeah, you know I keep it standy, and God is my landlord. I'm right the way I am, and I started from the bottom. Now I'm being the realest. Bomba was up like Dennis the Menace. In less than a minute, I'm coming up short like your pennies. You shouldn't have started a war, being a home. Oba will like a soul. Tell him what you down, bro. You gonna know. Oba, I'm still in the show, I'm gonna bury you. Jim some Eric up at you in the boot. I'm a master like Freddy and Jason too. I top the bar, raise it higher and higher, you stupid fool. Like Mandela, I'ma grow and transform like a magic book.
I'm alright, I feel brand new and I'm fresh. And what about my fame? I'm alright, I feel brand new and I'm fresh. And what about my fame? I'm alright, I feel brand new and I'm fresh. And what about my fame? I'm alright, I feel brand new and I'm fresh. And what about my fame? I'm alright, I feel brand new and I'm fresh. And what about my fame? I'm alright, I feel brand new and I'm fresh. And what about my fame?
Yeah. Sheesh. Debonair with the delivery. King pie with the sauce. I'm smoking Tony, talking stock. I deliver like stocks. I got the Mayo crew making major moves, talking quack like ducks. I swallow bitches like sharks. I'm representing hot box. I'm always working, man, I never sleep. Always on my feet like socks. I freaking push with the fox. 365 with the clocks. Wavy, niggas got my money, cannot wait to pay me. Radio stations waiting, cannot wait to play me. Bitches spreading cookie, I don't need to pay them like I done got an ultimatum, either kill this phonies or become a hater. Ain't got no worries, I'm so fucking way up. I smoke with my idol, things are getting better. Look at the skis when the paradigm shifts. They used to hate on me, now they all loving my shit. Now I got your bitch on my dick. So fucking wavy, I'm the shit. I'm way out the door, I'm way out my zone. God damn it, I'm loving this shit.
Yeah,
I could get used to this shit.
hope you understand why I came over. You can bring your friends and the friends over. All my niggas, yeah, we never sober. Expensive women in my gallery. Ham and man out with the sauce. Ay, dancing with the devil, you see fireworks. Sip it through the bottle, I don't need a cup. Got a couple of bitches and they wanna fuck. Mr. Master with the flags. Tom and Jerry with the trap. Started from the bottom, now we should be counting figures. Now
started, I'm important, but I bulletproof the building. I don't say a lot, I zip my mouth and keep my fingers on my balance. Getting intoxicated, let the liquor do the magic, oh my god. Head is harder than a turtle shell. Feeling high, I'm ringing heaven's bell. In the jungle with hyenas. I'm the lion that be busy feasting on my riches.
Look at the steeds when the paradigm shifts. They used to hate on me, now they all loving my shit. Now I got your bitch on my dick. So fucking wavy, I'm the shit. I'm way out the door, I'm way out my zone. God damn it, I'm loving this shit. I can get used to this shit.
Cherry kule club, konke sebafuna imali. Nalokele ngihamba naye isibala sewufuna imali. Ngikumele ngifake spine, should be going all out. Should be coughing all this honey's gotta have a good time.
We having a good time, 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 having a good time.
The room is busy, ngeno vala umnyango. My niggas flexing mase kuphela inyanga. They be working wena ucela imali. We looking so sispethene bamvali. Satoba inkinga vele kulamalanga. Go test the bitches on my inbox. My side bitches never inbox. They hit a nigga with a phone call. Stay buzzing when I ignore. Akushipia lapho sitale black. Sale khaya wena intwana encane. Hope uvile bathi money talks. Ongenayo wena ukhuluma. Buka spachi sami sikhulu kwa. Cover all the booty, got them uncles asking if I'm really hitting on that. Do it all day, Sugu says Wiz. Kengan Fagada Kababeni, she was sipping on reds. Got a little tipsy, then she started twerking. Now the whole building getting freaking. We gon' stay lifted for the weekend, stay lifted till the weekends. I just came here for a good time, so I'll be acting like a nice guy. We got the bar running out of dreams, man, we in a pool full of liquor. Me and her, we at the deep end. She forgot about her boyfriend. I hypnotized her with the magic. She forgot I got a matrix. Bust it up and for a real G.
Labo cherry kule club, konke sebafuna imali. Nalokele ngihamba naye isibala sewufuna imali. Ngikumele ngifake spine, should be going all out. Should be coughing all this honey's gotta have a good time.
We having a good time, 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 having a good time.
Godzilla, you should see the landing. They were bombing price until I in the building. I'm a cold killer, came and took all their attention. Everybody never knew me, now they know me. Niggas in the streets, now they call me homie, asking for some trees. Man, I got a forest, I ain't lying. I'm addicted to the money, pepper chasing every day. You find me running, catch 100 to the next. I'm high, I woke up in the nest. Fast forward like we got the nose. Making movies like the Warner Bros. Cup the liquor, then we overdose. White powder showing up my nose. Fucked up, I'm hanging like a corpse. Can't you tell that I'm a newborn? Man, I'm new age. I can fuck around and get my soul sold. I know deeper secrets, I can sit and watch my future unfold. I know stories that were untold. I swear to God, let me belong here. You looking at the junior vision. Mentality within, since a young and I'm a G. Foreign bitches in my G, yeah, I make them cross the border when I need them. I got a plenty in my hometown. The papa knows that I'm a problem. If I get arrested, better cuff me with an angel. Burning bushes like it's August. Tonight I'm laying with the bad one. I just pray to God the robber never buys.
Labo cherry kule club, konke sebafuna imali. Nalokele ngihamba naye isibala sewufuna imali. Ngikumele ngifake spine, should be going all out. Should be coughing all this honey's gotta have a good time.
We having a good time, 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 having a good time.
Ayi lescoop siyakhula.
Ayi teams ababi. LK.
Phekwe khona la.
M.Seth. Sambe ba.
Ngiyabeva bathi scoop sami siyakhula. Nembala vele siyakhafula. Kade uselale. Motivate
Back chillin' amagenge fede kuhlanganisa ibhodlela Skimele zizami bheka ucheba kuyesilandela She's fucking with the illest baba skulu kudlula isibhedlela Azanga ngokuzodlala ntwana zela ngokuzodrava Nayabona sokilamba homie blame it on the weekend Hey shawty pass the weed around Peters asebhozi ngazwakala lazo groove night Scoops amajekeje man we got it going down Sazo zama umhlaba yeah you know we round the town Phela skudla nabo set eardrumzz up in this bitch Konka ya within the set Ngazo brega ngabo cherry got enough up in my plate Ay, no wakugcwala ngale scoop baba
Ngiyabeva bathi scoop sami siyakhula. Nembala vele siyakhafula. Kade uselale. Motivate nawe. Motivate nawe.
Pimara les scoop, les fusa patas. Vale le suku, senda bolof, papaisa pazinho. Scoop se akula, pika si vale le mental. Soon the demo shall stinja te party say rock in kwal. Nkesa yimale tipoko, fele bokashing bakala ngesto. Wankala nkata tintok, uchelu tobona ngemo. Keza mangaba ngapusha lapho sifuna ngathale so. Wena unangondo manje kuzala bakubhidika stop. Iyo way, ngiclivate thina say activator. Ngicosmaker lokhu skate mina ngiyakatenda. Aphela sengafana nepatenda. Ngibanika umkulo kuze kuyoshaya December.
Ngiyabeva bathi scoop sami siyakhula. Nembala vele siyakhafula. Kade uselale. Motivate nawe.
Ngiyakila mawukinya drive emandiya kuzabuka siya masiwise mapiya ngishintshe magiya soze wangishiya kule game ngiyakhinya those mathiya fase mahiya lokho kuyagiya I'm untouchable uncontrollable when I'm behind the beat nothing seems to be impossible it's D.I.M.Z let's go boss yakina dafaka ikhongo full omhlathi ngengwabe ngesina
Ngiyabeva bathi scoop sami siyakhula. Nembala vele siyakhafula. Kade uselale. Motivate nawe.
I gotta play set? Do you know I gotta get myself a dope whip? Do you know my old lady's hoping that I could buy a cream? Do you think I'm satisfied by the ladies when they scream, huh? That's all I gotta get clean. asiyeke kudlalisana mzala ngifuna kubona imali kunjani uya promoters balanyipha uringa ngani banganginiki ngisho sente kasengifike ngikhome ngani khala badlalisa nabo mvini mase ngifuna sakantwana kuyawukhala bakini my ladies expecting I take it out of spray mara ngimixa kanjani ngoba kanginahe laba bafuna ibhodala bacabanga kuthi siyadlala ufuna ngiqephome mahala ngiyakubona nje ugcwele dlala ma ungafuna ukuthola uhlala noma ufake imali kuqala uyeke dlala ngani mzala hey when I organize Fagima hey when I organize Fagima hey when I organize Fagima hey when I organize Fagima
Hey, fucking mile is a boy. Met this gal and I'm taking her home. Gotta get paid, then we got it on. Show ya mahala fed nigga in boy. Spanang alizaga and I'm ready for war. When the show young patala cause I'm top in the mall. I got the new school king and we here to destroy. Just in case some OGs wanna mess with the boy. It's again I organize it with some cooler, let's go. It's again I with my lean just to record a song. Pull on sweet cheese boy at the panel so I'm gonna need more cash to look good in the show. I should afford new kicks, now look glare boy. I gotta buy more drinks, things and cars in the floor. Make the crowd go down, 7 supper tomorrow. If it ain't about the money, I ain't picking the food.
Hey when I organize Fagima hey when I organize Fagima hey when I organize Fagima
Yeah, it's the Swazilnd. You know I'm tired of these rappers, man. Claiming that the shit while they ain't.
Hey, hope you heard about the new kid. I'm here to show you what you like it. Prepare for the corrections, all these rappers ain't nothing. Got me feeling like a running. So I got them giving up the throne, then I let them. Since I was a youngin' man, I've always been a problem. Some trying to copy me, some pop my style, but I'll never look cool with it. Welcome to the jungle, man. Always getting high, now I'm making friends with Peter Pan. Did another scene again, kill the nigga, short rap bully on the scene again. Hope the Lord forgives me, man, I'm too much of a maniac. Everything in twos got me feeling like I'm Shabba Rex. Gotta get paid like I'm dealing with the government. Got behind the mic, dapping like don't touch him. Kid is too dangerous, fucked up denims. I'm the rap jockey, pay attention to the lyrics.
Buzz still loaded, one blunt lit, fast recorded. Where's my scripts? On to the next. Feeling like a god with it, just admit I'm one of the best. If you the shit, nigga, show us what you got. Skatelling like I'm rapper, all they do is talk a lot. Man, I tell them turn the mics up. If you feeling what I'm lacing, put your lighters up. Siyavuka maqala kusa kuyashuba madala buka sekuchupa mawucala kulo tahlupha letama kuthi masifika baqala kuchucha siyabusa kumalala vuka bambana siyabala kusukela kudala masicala kubona sakhula besivele sikhona baloku basitela umona sefuma ke manje man you can see us on every corner simakhula ke la tikoma buke amatelefoni mabhizi bende makhole and we caking on every show yakena la suka khona slogans feeling my phone we rearranging the game they trying to fight me with rhymes I flash them down in the drain I'ma need a straight track and man I swear the kid is insane.
Bar still loaded, 2 blunts lit, second verse recorded. Fuck these scripts, on to the next. Feeling like a god with it, just admit I'm one of the best. If you the shit, nigga, show us what you got. Skatelling like I'm rapper, all they do is talk a lot. Man, I tell them turn the mics up. If you feeling what I'm lacing, put your lighters up. Hey, too much of anything can make you sick, so blame it on the kush that I spliff. Man, I'm about to put my click on the lead, I'm focused with this. Ducking bullets, got my hands on my knees, my heart on my sleeves. I might fuck around and cut your fingers with this. Blaze on my teeth, I'm loving my team. You're nothing to him, the kid was always doubted my nick. That's another reason why I'll do it until my dead body
lays down resting in peace.
Yeah. It's the wizard. Hey, shout out to my nigga Broken. Yeah. Tati cover. I'm from a city where the best is. Got a bottle of some Hennessy. Show no mercy to my enemies. Did it all for SKOMENTALITY. Tati cover when you see me. 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 Show some respect to the kid. Did it all for SKOMENTALITY. Tati cover when you see me. Tati cover when you see me. Before you cross me, make sure that you check out both ways. And niggas is lighter than lace. 100 blunts to the face. Y'all can keep up with the pace. I be rolling Mary, got a glass of Henny. Now when niggas speaking in a low tone, kinda hard to hear me, but these niggas left me without any choice. I finna jump in the booth, hey, just to make some noise. My mama knows I'm a good kid. The problem is that I grew up with the bad boys. SKOMENTALITY, I swear to God my head is destroyed. My flow can wash away your block, hey. All together with your city, why they even let you talk? I swear it's karma when I knock, so don't you open up. I'm from a city where the best is. Got a bottle of some Hennessy. Show no mercy to my enemies. Did it all for SKOMENTALITY. Tati cover when you see me. 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 Show some respect to the kid. Did it all for SKOMENTALITY. Tati cover when you see me. Tati cover when you see me. Get out of the way, I move fast. I fall asleep on the gas. Look how I'm living the past. Shadow, I'm a lion. You call it a jungle, then I am the king. Chris Breezy with the groupies. While I be chillin', ain't doing anything. Ain't posting no pictures. Already your girl wanna tattoo my name. Dropped a couple of singles. Look how they're giving me brain. You'd also think I'm a dumb motherfucking chin. I swear they ain't no sleeping like insomnia. The hood is looking like Colombia. Beating up the bit like xenophobia. I swear I'm here to run the whole media. I'm from a city where the best is. Got a bottle of some Hennessy. Show no mercy to my enemies. Did it all for SKOMENTALITY. Tati cover when you see me. 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 Show some respect to the kid. Did it all for SKOMENTALITY. Tati cover when you see me. Tati cover when you see me.